Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add users from lock screen, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show device controls, control from lock device, double line clock, enable or disable identify songs playing nearby, tap to check tab, leave to check tab, and in the end wake screen for notifications. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention function. Then we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next we can set screensaver and select when to start. Then we can change display size and text size, enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then we can enable or disable night light, schedule it, and change its intensity. Then we can change colors of the display, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and ambient equalizer. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.